Looking for a pulling system that combines all the features, power, and durability you need to quickly and profitably repair today's complex vehicles? At a price that won't keep you awake at night? Then look no further, because Chief Automotive Systems, the world's leading designer and manufacturer of quality collision repair equipment, has your answer. The Chief Impulse VHT, an innovative and amazingly affordable pulling system that's taking the industry by storm. Although priced the same or less than competitive racks of comparable size, the VHT boasts an impressive list of standard features that truly puts it in a class by itself. One of the trademark features of Chief systems has been the ability to make simultaneous multiple pulls, and the VHT is no exception. Thanks to Chief's patent-pending dual air over hydraulic pump design, the VHT is capable of making simultaneous multiple pulls with up to 4 towers, providing more than enough power to tackle virtually any job that rolls through your shop, and is a feature that no other pulling system in the world can offer. Multiple pulling has long been the preferred choice of body shop pros because it offers far greater accuracy in controlling repairs while providing the versatility to either pull or push the damage out. With the VHT, all installed towers and auxiliary rams can be operated simultaneously, using individual valves located at the hydraulic device. Using these individual valves, the technician can control a hydraulic power to selected towers or rams, enabling damage to be reversed the same way it went in for faster, higher quality repairs. The overall result is safer because you use less pressure to remove the damage, faster because of fewer setups allowing quicker repair, and less costly because simultaneous multiple pulling results in less torn and more usable sheet metal. And while the VHT in the Impulse name could easily stand for very hot topic, it actually refers to the variable height technology that's standard on every VHT sold. The Impulse VHT can be quickly raised or lowered to 6 different working heights, ranging from 19 inches to 40 inches, for greater technician comfort and easy under-vehicle access. Additionally, the VHT employs a self-leveling system to safely prevent vehicles from rolling when the deck is being raised. Plus, when being lowered, the back of the deck tilts downward to allow for safe and easy loading and lifting of heavier vehicles like trucks and SUVs. And in an effort to increase both productivity and technician safety, all variable height and tower functions are controlled from a single handheld pendant. Why hassle with multiple foot pumps or fumble around with switching lines? The Impulse VHT allows all pushes and pulls to be controlled with the simple push of a button. The use of this pendant allows techs to position themselves around the vehicle for peak visibility and safety, while Chief's 10,000 psi hydraulic system provides precise control and power to spare for faster, more accurate repairs. Another unique VHT feature is Chief's patent-pending Sherlock tower locking mechanism. This unique design allows technicians to pin and secure each tower with one fast and easy movement. To unlock the towers, simply pull up on the Sherlock lever. The Sherlock's pin lifts up and stays in the unlocked position, which allows the tower to be moved quickly and easily to the desired location. To lock the tower firmly in position, simply push down on the Sherlock lever and you're ready for business. And notice that when the tower is locked into position, the tower roller bearings are raised and bear no force during pulls. This unique feature virtually eliminates bearing wear and is not available on any other rack on the market today. These roller bearings are placed at a 45-degree angle and are self-cleaning so as not to collect debris that could damage the deck or rollers. Internally, the rollers use tapered wheel bearings, similar to those found on most cars. These bearings are intentionally non-lubricated so as to prevent the accumulation of debris while at the same time requiring 50% less energy to move the tower around the deck. Plus, when the Sherlock system is applied, the towers become instantly rigid, which means no loss of efficiency in the pull. This also allows you to begin making pulls immediately rather than waiting for the tower to adjust into position. The innovative design of the VHT provides true 360-degree pulling capability and allows towers to be ganged anywhere around the perimeter of the deck, even at the corners. And speaking of towers, nobody builds towers like Chief. And the VHT towers incorporate all of the rugged features and capabilities you've come to expect from Chief equipment. All VHT towers are constructed from 1/2 and 3/8 high-strength steel plates. Inside each of these towers is a 10-inch stroke ram rather than the 8-inch rams found on most other pulling systems, providing more pulling distance with each hookup. Additionally, The towers use only 4 rollers instead of the 8 found on most competitive equipment, which means fewer moving parts and less wear and maintenance issues. And like all Chief towers, these hydraulic beauties feature Chief's premier telescoping tower heads and adjustable collars that can be easily repositioned exactly where you need them. All VHT deck plates are plasma cut on state-of-the-art high-definition plasma tables, MIG welded, and are painstakingly built to a tolerance of 20,000, a tolerance no other rack in the industry can claim. Plus, each VHT deck offers a total of 172 strategically placed steel reinforced tie-down openings for virtually unlimited holding options, as well as allowing for down pulls whenever they're needed. The number of tie-down openings increases to 178 when the optional cross member is included. And the 3 deck holes located at the front of the VHT deck allow for use of the Chief optional down pull assembly for maximum pulling flexibility. The industry standard for steel used in deck manufacturing today is A36, which provides a yield strength of 36,000 psi. However, standard is never good enough for Chief. Consequently, all VHT decks are built using only A572 steel, which offers more than 50,000 psi's of yield strength, more than enough for even the toughest jobs, and ensures that the VHT will be effectively repairing vehicles for years to come. The VHT has a lift capacity of 8,000 pounds, and the lift mechanism uses 22 maintenance-free self-lubricating bushings. The lift system and deck, like all Chief components that receive heavy use, are powder-coated, not painted, for long-lasting appearance and maximum durability. The VHT is available in either an 18-foot or 20-foot model, and either 80 or 88-inch widths, and comes complete with the following standard accessories. 2 rugged Chief towers, complete with tower chains and collars, with the option of adding additional towers if needed. A Chief universal anchoring system that features 8 different working heights that adjust to most vehicles for precise 4-point positioning. 2 drive-on ramps that extend only 2 feet from the end of the deck. These ramps are interchangeable, so you can never pick up the wrong ramp, and include safety orifices to prevent the deck from dropping should a hydraulic hose break or become disconnected. 2 wheel chocks to prevent backward or forward vehicle movement. Plus, the Impulse VHT is completely compatible with all other Chief products, including the Velocity, Vector, or Vertex computerized measuring systems and Chief's fast anchoring system. The Impulse VHT has been designed and manufactured in the heartland of the U.S. by skilled craftsmen who know how to construct collision equipment that lasts. And something no other company can offer. Chief's long-standing commitment to its customers to offer the training, customer service, and technical support you need.